have arrived at Indiana. Right now I'm just chilling in the JW Marriott, which is the hotel that I'm staying at. Around 7:30. I'm actually going to the Milwaukee Bucks and the Indiana Pacers game tonight, so I'm super stoked about that. But anyways, I'll see how it goes, and I will keep you updated on the game. So I just randomly decided that I'm going to film myself as I get ready for the basketball game. I guess while I talk to you about my makeup look, I can kind of walk you through what I usually do. So I like to put on a little bit of mascara. What's nice about what I have, I guess, is I have pretty long eyelashes. The only thing is they are a little bit thin. So putting on that mascara definitely adds some definition and some volume that you can't really see on camera, but in person it's a little better. Next step is then eyeliner. I'm probably gonna mess this up on camera because I can never get this right, and especially with the camera watching me, probably mess that up even more, so stick with that. All right, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and not bore you to death as I do my face. Just woke up, day one of the conference, Data Connectors, Indianapolis. I am exhausted, but also very excited to see what the show is like. So let's go. All right, so I may or may not be lost.